Hi there, YouTube, and welcome back to my YouTube channel here at FXGK Millionaire. On today's video, guys, you know your boys got to bring it for you guys another market insight on the VIX75 market, and I can see you guys really appreciate it and enjoy this type of video. So I'm just gonna add more value and let's eat all together. So guys, I'm just gonna show you guys something that I just noticed what was basically happening on this market that I want to share with you guys before the move actually starting to happen. Right. So what we could have seen here right now where price is basically trading and did also reject from is the reason of 704,103. This area. This area is a strong area of supply for us and it was all in was previously a strong area of demand, as you guys could see. We have a lot of buying pressure from this mark from this reason. Once price come back to this area, we have a lot of momentum from it. So one thing that I love about this type of reasons is that we can expect the same in vice versa. So now we can only expect some strong selling momentum from this area until price starting to break above, retest, and continue to the upside. That is the only time we're gonna expect to change our bias on this market. But for now, guys, I'm only gonna look for sales. The reason for that is because what I can see, price is basically now respecting this 704,103 area. So if we take a look at our 4 hour time frame perspective now, gang, is that we can also build up confluence now and see that okay, price basically starting to move in a correction to the upside. A correction basically means that price is losing uh momentum now to basically continue with this momentum to the upside. And one thing that we can see as well that is that we have a bearish variation, a beautiful bearish variation from this previous area of previous area of support is becoming now an area of supply for us, right? So now the question is, guys, how will we interpret this trading opportunity? Because right, we can see now price is still creating higher highs and higher lows in this trading momentum. But one thing that we have to keep in consideration, guys, is that we have a lower high there and we have a lower low there until we remain above this 4 hour lower high structure. We're going to remain bearish, right? Our daily time frame is an overall bearish market condition. In a 4 hour, this is a 4 hour lower high. So what I will do right now, I will scale down time frames just to get a nice entry to take positions to the downside. But I will basically be choosy and picky before I will take a trading position. I will not enter just because I see the market starting to do something. As you guys can see, this white border right here. This white border is basically an area of my intraday 1 hour area of support for me. I want for price to break under this area first before I will continue with sorting the market. And then once price starting to break under this area, I would love for price to come and retrace, right? I'm the type of trader, guys, that I will wait exactly for what I want the market to do. Then I will execute, either win or lose, right? Because I'm playing my trading plan. That is what I want to teach you guys. It's to trade your trading plan. You guys see something like this and you guys want to buy into the market. That's not the right time to buy. But if you guys want to buy, you guys can buy. I don't know what your trading style or trading plan, because why there is opportunities for buys, right? Impulse up, impulse down, right? There we can see price reject this area. Now we can expect price to continue to the upside. But for me, guys, that is risky. The only thing that I can notice is now that for my higher time frame is that my 4 hour and my 1 hour did respect this 704,103 reason. And for my 4 hour time frame, I also can see we have us have a bearish variation. That is a confirmation for me that okay, now I can build my confluence to take trades to the downside. But one thing that I have to keep in consideration is to look on my smaller time frames to wait for price to break structure. And that is why I told you guys, let's wait for price to break out of this area of support, right? Retest it and respect it as an area of resistance, and then guys, we're gonna continue taking this trade to the downside. And if price starting to do exactly what I was saying, guys, I will wait for price to do that, and I will target this reason. This is going to be my first area. Once price starting to break out of this 667 area, guys, I most likely will wait for breakout, retest, and then take it down to 642,171 again, right? So it's all about trading it from key level to key level, key level to key level, right? I know you guys want to have that trades where the market just run like 100 or 200 points to the upside. I know all of you guys want that, right? When I first started, I was also in love with that type of style. But guys, take the pieces of the market, right? Wait for price to close under this area, break out of it, retest it, trade it to this area, wait for price to close under it, wait for retest, trade it down again. Right? Take it piece by piece. I know a lot of guys was basically getting into buys right here. You know you have a strong area of supply right there. Why would you buy into that? Right? The best buy opportunities on a 4 hour time perspective is if we can close above this 704 103 region and then we trace back and then we target this lower high on a 4 hour time frame. That is the probabilities that you must build as a trader before you can execute on any trading, guys. So that sorry for that rant, guys, but I have to give you guys like clean and the honesty, right? So guys, I'm still planning to do that $20. I was planning to do like $40 to 2,000, but like no, it's easy to $40, right? Let me start with $20 instead, right? Put myself in a position where I have to take and wait for proper trades, right? And this is basically the account now. I did actually fund this account already. Let me just show you guys. This is not my main account. As you guys can see, my number is different. Where is this? Right, this account is basically funded with $20. So, yep. And as you guys can see, my history. It is a real account. It deposit, and I don't know how can you tell the difference between the real and a demo account because I never actually trade demo accounts. When I started out with trading, I was always trading with real accounts, right? I don't know why you're talking about demo accounts, but yeah, guys, this is going to be the series that I'm gonna take this $20. As you guys can see, this $20 I'm gonna take it to $2,000, and I will show you guys how easy and simple it is. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, and if you want to see the series, don't miss it out. Hit that subscribe button right now. It's your boy FXGK Millionaire, and I'm out.